was just a boy. Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever.
好了，我相信如果是跟我同一代Jimny的话，后面这里应该是没有室内照明的。那以前的Jimny在日规的版本，某一代呢，它后面其实是有这个后面的室内照明灯的，所以呢，这个跟之前那个安装这个后面的喇叭音响一样，它其实车体的钣金呢都有预留那些孔位，你只要去买这个后面的室内照明灯，然后把它锁上去，那你其实就可以恢复原本该有的这个后面行李箱的室内照明了。